Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can edit photos on Snapchat. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So basically editing a photo on Snapchat, if you have like a photo on your gallery and you want to use that photo and you want to implement that or import that photo onto Snapchat where you can edit it. I am going to show where you can use the Instagram photo editor. I'm going to show how you can do it. So first of all, you're going to launch up Snapchat, and after that, you're going to until you see the this photos filter. Now, once you click on photos filter, it's called upload. Okay, you can search for it if you don't find it, and after you find it, you're going to click on the switch, and you're going to choose a specific photo. Let's say I'm going to choose this calculator photo. Now I'm going to click on shoot, and as you can see, I took a photo. Oh, I took a photo of the snap as if I took a photo. I took the photo that I do have on my phone onto Snapchat, and basically this is where I can use the Snapchat editor like the pen tool, like the songs, like the eraser tool, and all basically the Snapchat editor. And from here you can edit your photo. And I just showed you how you can edit photos on Snapchat. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.